Hip to the tyranny. The only one I'm proud to be under. It doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of people out here today, huh?
No, no big deal.
Honestly, I should have shot. Look at the front sight, Nick. I'm just gonna.
That's what you gotta do, man. You just gotta. If some people will not surrender, so you gotta be that person to shoot first.
Yeah, I was just okay, and he's just sitting there and he's looking at me like. But I was like,
act like he's a real killer. That's all you gotta do. Don't let him shoot you.
Surrender. I'm like, motherfucker. Oh. A little bit of clean surrender sounds nice. Next time.
I need to get a metal detector.
For what?
Start getting all this gold underneath. I know there's gold under here.
Calm down.
This was here in the 50s.
Do you upload all your gameplays to YouTube?
Yeah, no, I was
Do you upload all your gameplays to YouTube?
Yeah, I follow. I subscribe.
Yeah, I subscribe to
Warhouse.
Subscribe to where? Oh yeah.
You played Hill 559? It's good. I want to go.
That cannot wait till Terminator.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, that guy's back.
It's one versus everybody. Cool. He has balloons like
I won't feel checking out the truck.
Yeah.
Are you doing Terminator?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're playing it today.
Not yet. Not yet.
Can I be Terminator?
No, these guys are gonna do it.
oh.
What? After the Chris versus everybody.
We'll do you if you want. We'll jump you in.
Shake on them.
Is it one life for everybody?
No, it's unlimited.
That'll be fun.
Dude, the firecracker blew up my hand because I lit it too early.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I lit it.
Okay, what do you want on it?
I just keep looking.
Everything with...
It's the same guy, huh?
Pull a shake on them.
I was thinking with the green gas.
Let's drag it in. Did you get it? All right.
I was like, why is it so white?
All right.
My sister took a shit, so I'm gonna go to the track and give it to you guys.
Oh, okay. Get a new gun?
Yeah, I already ordered it.
Oh,
I called him and he said, yeah, it's in, ready to go.
cool. Cool. All right, see you there. Ready to go. Ready to go. Want to go pull it up? That dude's, look at this guy's eyeing it still. That's the same guy, huh?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, he keeps on passing by. Like, I think it's this same guy. Anyway. What do we need? We don't need anything, huh? Is this? All right. You already paid, right? Yeah. So it'll be 15 more. If you need BBs, you don't need BBs, 10 bucks.
I'm using a battery, but my gun broke on me.
All right, just 10 bucks more.
Okay.
We're gonna pull this thing in and I'll get you going.
Okay. What kind of guns do you have?
I'll show you in a minute. pick it up by the side?
Yeah, brother. When you open it.
Oh.
You open one, I open one.
Or just stand right there on top. That's all you need is weight. I guarantee that'll work. That too. It takes longer though. I don't know. I'm just gonna go in there.
There's one over there. You want to put it right here?
I was thinking putting over here maybe. Can't see where to go.
Go straight.
All right. I don't know. I know, that's what I don't know where to go. That's cool. Yeah, just for right now. We can always do it later. All right, you're good. All right, you guys ready? Ready to rock and roll.
Do you sell tomato grenades?
Not tornadoes, no.
Because I lost my pin to mine on the field, you know? So anyway.
Yeah, you're jacked. Use the bobby pin. I mean, that's all you can use.
I'd probably shoot you.
So,
Get again.
yeah.